Hello again for another video pertaining Nextdoor automation, and today I'm going to answer an interesting question that I had a while back with regard to the choice between Nextdoor and Facebook. So Nextdoor versus Facebook. Before I go into the details and share my views with you, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Eric. I run an Nextdoor automation business where I help small business owners to automate their presence on Nextdoor so that they can get more leads. Now let's deep dive into the differences if you are not already on Nextdoor, or if you are still wondering of the main differences. So number one, it's geolocalization. When you post on Nextdoor, everyone who is on the app at the same time as you post will get to see your publication, whether it's in a group, whether it's in your feed line, timeline, does not matter. And therefore, since there's no difference between group and normal posting, I always advise you to create a group and post there, because it's creating a virtual local conversion funnel, and as soon as people join your group, that gives you some kind of permission to send them DM as a welcome message first, and also to send your promotional and commercial promo code if you have any, or the current marketing message that you want to dispatch. On the other side, Facebook does not. Maybe it was more or less like this a long time ago, but nowadays, if you want your message to be seen to the local people, you have to pay and boost your messages, and basically pay for visibility, whether it's in a group, whether it's in your normal page, or professional page, or personal page. Over the time, Facebook has decreased the reach of your posts, so to encourage you to buy more advertisement. So definitely use Nextdoor. I do not strongly suggest to use the professional side, the pro pages, because they do not get so much visibility. But anything you post on your personal profile, whether it's on the feed line, you should do it from your personal profile in your group. That's the maximum visibility you will get. And as for all social networks, everyone who's posting after you tends to bury your previous post. So I advise you to post regularly, at least once a day. So that's 5 times a week, even better if 7 times a week. In that week, post only one commercial post. When you have a group, you have to curate the messages, because people leave your group open, so anybody can join and see your publication without being approved. And you may have to delete some unsolicited messages that people will do. It's like they come and open your house and sit comfortably on your sofa without you inviting them to do so, but never mind, that's part of the game. Delete whatever message is deemed unsolicited or outside of your group topic, and just delete. If people get really too annoying, then you can just ban or exclude this profile from your group. But I can tell you, once you have a group, you can delete whatever message is deemed not really nice, unwanted. So it's a very nice way to curate your publications, and people will ask you questions, you can answer them directly, and the rest of the time, just be a friendly neighbor, help people out, send your messages. So Facebook, it's hard to. You can curate this by allowing people to comment, or allowing people to join groups, but you will have always difficulties to get your own post with the proper exposure. So strongly advise, keep to Nextdoor, and do not hesitate to subscribe, ask any questions if you have any. And I'll see you tomorrow, where I'm going to cover the topic is not set yet. What I'm going to cover tomorrow? Well, you can suggest me a topic to cover in the comments if you like to see one comment covered in one of my future videos. Okay, take care, bye bye.